Your head's cut off. Your head's cut off perfectly.
Is it on here?
Yeah, it's good there.
Welcome back to another rainy day, Vancouver jet-lagged vlog. These days have been really tough. I don't know why. I've never experienced jet lag this bad before. Last night I didn't fall asleep till like 4 a.m. Then I was up at like 6-ish, and then at 8 a bit, and then at 10 a little bit. Now it's 11:30. I'm getting really tired of being tired. So today is the day I start to fight back with jet lag. But first I gotta edit a vlog, and then I really hope I'm productive. Let's see what we can do. This isn't a challenge I'm complaining about. I'm just saying that the uploads, they're an integral part to being able to put stuff on YouTube. And being that I've been on the road for so long and I don't have my own place and my own internet connection, I was just stuck there for 45 minutes just waiting for it to upload to YouTube. It doesn't seem like a big deal. It actually isn't a big deal. It's just 45 minutes I sat staring at my computer watching it count down. Whew. It's really cold today. Oh. I've been convinced to come to IKEA with Heather so she can find a bed for her room. Testing out mattresses. Heather, what do you think? There's always something so fun about coming to IKEA, though. You get to try and live in so many different settings. I kind of like this one. You can get such good lighting here too. You have to plan some shoots for IKEA. It's incredibly bright, but pretty sweet. This is very zoomed in. Do we just come from there? Such a challenge to get anywhere though. I'm so lost right now. Well, there's a shortcut. So I need one shot where it shows me. Got one. Heather chose a mattress. I'm glad I helped with that. Yeah. Okay, so we're back. There's the mattress there. Heather is... Oh, microphone's not good. Heather's mattress is there. It's going to expand, but we're going over to Mitch and Kayla's for board game night. We're already 15 minutes late. So I'm going to set this up and just leave it running and let the battery die or memory card fill up or whatever happens first. So the time lapse can happen. It's pretty, I'm excited for it. But I'm going to kind of wait. Okay, it's go time. I believe all we do is this. Whoa, it's moving. It's alive. It's alive. Okay, that was fast. 52 hours, that'll be perfect. Honey, I'm home. Hello. Hello, Mitch. Okay, sorry, Mitch, I got one for you. Okay, so we're playing a game called Seven Wonders. Kayla, Mitch,
I don't want to
Sam,
talk about it.
Jarvis, Heather, Tony, Julia. It's a great game. We're gonna battle right now. We're gonna battle. I still don't really know what's happening. But
Wait, do the battle of rumble symbols.
yeah, we're battling Mitch. Mitch, we're fighting.
How about you?
No, he just
We're
waits.
in the
Oh, 'cause we're in
second
battle.
age and he gets,
Right.
yeah.
Second age, come on.
I gotta pay attention.
What's this game
Now?
called again?